It's getting hot. We're in mid-June, and you're probably wondering, what can I grow in Southwest Florida in the heat of the summer? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to share with you my top 5 picks for what I like to grow in southern Florida in the heat. Make sure you listen to the end, because I'm going to have a special bonus plant that I'm going to highlight that I like to add to my summer crops.
Welcome to Tropical Dragon Permaculture.
Number 1, and these are in no particular order, is pigeon pea. Pigeon pea is a legume, so it does fix nitrogen in the soil for you. It's also a perennial, so it'll come back for several years before the plant finally gets past maturity and produce lots of beautiful peas for you every single year. They are a dried bean that you can use in many different recipes like you would a regular dried bean. We also like to grind them up and use them as a protein powder in smoothies, so that is an additional benefit. But one thing that I also learned recently is that the leaves are also edible. They may not be to everybody's taste, but that is an extra bonus. So number 1 is the pigeon pea. Number 2 is cranberry hibiscus. Cranberry hibiscus is very easy to grow down in Southwest Florida. It has a beautiful color. Check out the beautiful dark burgundy color that you get with the plant. It'll also have small blooms on it, and the blooms and the leaves are all edible. The leaves have a delicious citrusy cranberry type taste to them and are great in salads, or you can make them into teas, and you can also eat the flowers. So our number 2 plant is the cranberry hibiscus. We like to eat the tender shoots, just the very tops of them, and picking them off like that also helps the plant to bush out, and you'll get more tender leaves from that, pruning that way. Number 3 is the cowpea. Many people may not know about the cowpea. It's also called a black-eyed pea or southern pea, but this also is a legume, so it fixes nitrogen in the soil for you and produces a lot of peas or beans that are used as a dry bean. So there are many recipes that you can substitute pretty much any kind of dried bean that you would buy in the grocery store with these, and you can grow them right at home. This particular variety that we have here is a purple-hulled cowpea. So it is a bushy type bean, not a climber, so we are growing that in areas that it doesn't need a trellis. So that is number 3. Number 4 is taro. This plant is a root plant, which can be a potato substitute. It grows very well in the summertime and has a fall harvest. It'll have several clumping tubers that you can pull out and eat, as well as then spread it out with some of the smaller ones in order to grow more of the plants the following year. So that is another excellent one, the taro. Number 5 is lemongrass. While it's not actually a food that you would eat large quantities of, it can be used for chop and drop, as well as adding to things for that wonderful citrusy lemon flavor. We use it in teas mostly, and when you're making a tea from like soursop leaves or some of the moringa or other things that have a little less pleasant flavor, it does add that nice lemon flavor to the tea in order to make it a little more palatable. So number 5 on our must grow in the summertime is lemongrass. Be sure to check out the comments below. I'll have some links that gives you additional information about these different plants so that you can have some of the nutritional information as well. And the bonus plant that we have for you today is loofah. Now, you may not think of that as an edible plant, but I've recently learned that the very young fruits on them can be used and eaten like cucumbers. So the loofah is a multifunction plant. We have it growing on a trellis because it is a climber, and you can eat those new fruits, or you can let some of them continue to mature into the traditional loofah that you use as a sponge or an exfoliant. So that's your bonus plant. I hope you enjoyed this video with top items to grow in Florida summers. If you do, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the links below for additional information on each of those plants.